So now I'm going to teach you types of sounds. So in our daily lives we come across different types of sounds. Some are soft and some are loud. Some are pleasant and some are unpleasant. Some sounds are shrill and some sounds are flat. So in our day-to-day life, we hear different types of sounds. Some are soft and some are loud. Some are pleasant and some are unpleasant. And then some are shrill and some are flat. So now sounds produced by living things. Okay, living things produce sound. Plants produce sound by rattling of the leaves when the air blows. Now if the air blows, the leaves shake and they make sound. When twigs and branches and fruits fall down from the leaves. Okay, when any fruit or any... So now, when the twigs, branches and fruits fall down, so if any fruit falls down, it creates a sound. When animals and birds make their way through leaves and branches. Okay, if you go through a bush, okay, and the bush will shake. That's why it will create sound. Now let's read animals. Animals make variable sounds. They make different types of sound. Most animals have vocal cords. Okay, they produce sound by the means of vocal cords. Okay, so now what are vocal cords? These right here are the vocal cords. Okay. Now few other examples are the buzzing of bees, the chirping of birds, the hissing of snakes and the mooing of cows. Okay, so now birds chirp, bees buzz, then snake hiss and then cows moo. So that's why they make different types of sounds. Okay, so now let's see how birds chirp. Okay, birds chirp with the help of syrinx, a ring of cartilage in their windpipe. Okay, so there is a ring of cartilage named syrinx and it is present in the windpipe. Okay, so now let's read how most of the insects produce sound. Most of the insects produce sound by the flapping of their wings. Okay, like mosquitoes flap their wings and then they make sound. Even honeybees. In human beings, voice box has a pair of membranes, vocal cords. These vocal cords vibrate and they produce sound. With the air passing through the larynx, the muscles around may stretch or loosen the membranes, producing different types of sound. Okay, so now in human beings, a voice box has a pair of membranes. Okay, or vocal cords. These are vocal cords, small. There are two vocal cords as a pair, and these small vocal cords vibrate. They shake, and with the help of that, the voice box, the air passes through the voice box and then it produces sound. Now the muscles may stretch or may loosen the membranes. So these vocal cords may loosen or may stretch. And through these, we produce different type of sounds. Okay? So that is all for today. Bye bye.